11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 27, 28, 29, 30. 2 breaths. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, now we're unzipping. Rather than cutting off, it's easier just to unzip with a hot water suit, putting on the neck collar. We've left all the helmets, bear masks, all that stuff in the bell. Okay, now we're putting in the Agile airway. Neck collar's on. Agile airway is going in. And we're going to give him 5 breaths. Right, and now we're going to put the NCCD on. Right, that's the NCD in its box, been taken out with a vertical strap, and we're going to fit the NCCD. Okay, now we're clipping in the vertical harness onto the NCCD and adjusting it, and then we'll put the strap on. Once again, it's a fully kitted bell. We've left the helmets and stuff in, so it's just less space and more difficulty for the divers in the bell. 2 are fitting on the bibs on the Maro panel, the bibs fitting on the Maro panel. And we've turned on gas, right, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we've got the guy up in the harness vertically. What we've got here is we've got a backboard that we've made up that gets put down over the door, so we can put the person on the door on the floor and do CPR on the floor. And then we've also got our half spine board, which we've modified in the bell. Okay, just take that out there so we can see it. And we can do CPR in a vertical position with this in the seat position. We can lay that onto the floor of the bell and continue with CPR on the floor of the bell on these 2 devices. But what we've worked out with Tom, and that is that we've made up a metal board that telescopics out, that folds up in the seat area, and then it telescopics across from one seat to the other. And that allows us to do more effective CPR in a more comfortable way for the divers and easier to manage the situation. So we're going to put that in place now and show you that. Right, so here we got the diver horizontally across the 2 seats on a telescopic board. All right, so let's carry on. Right, we've got him on the telescopic board, goes between the seats, and we're now going to continue with the CPR. 2 breaths are being administered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we've got the guy up in the Mazdam, and we're getting ready to transfer him through to the TUP. We've locked on. Okay, we're now continuing with the extension, and we're bringing the diver through the TUP on the board with the NCD extension plugged in. Okay, now there's the team in the TUP, one of the divers in the TUP, getting ready to receive the diver coming through from the bell. Right, we're taking the diver through the trunk. He's on his way through. Okay, we've cleared the mattresses from the one side on the bunks to put the patient down for continuous CPR. The diver in the chamber is just opening the door. Alright, we're now bringing the diver through into the chamber. Let's plug in the NCCD, making sure we've confirmed we don't have more than 22% oxygen in the bibs. So plug it into the bibs panel. Into the bibs panel, and we now continue with CPR resuscitation in the main chamber.